Little things you can do to improve your mental health. Interesting. Little things you can do to improve your mental health. 10 things you can do to improve your mental health. 1. Make sure you go outside or change your environment at least once a day. 2. Text, Snapchat, and message your friends. Make sure you don't isolate yourself. 3. Budget for small treats and indulgences. 4. Decide to say no to people-pleasing tendencies. Be secure in who you are and in what you want for you. 5. Invest in hobbies which you genuinely enjoy and which tend to leave you feeling good about yourself. 6. Have a favorite playlist which you know will lift your mood. 7. Decorate your space or room in a way that reflects you. 8. Limit how much time you spend with those who drain your energy. 9. Treat